Good morning, 7th graders. Today we want you to watch this video to familiarize yourself with WeVideo and kind of get you set up on how you can use this program. So the first thing I want you to do is go to your bell ringer and click on the link to WeVideo. So it is right here. I'm holding my cursor over it, and so there should be like a little yellow circle that goes over, and then I've just highlighted it as well. So go ahead and click on that, and then it's going to take you to this website. So since many of you are using this for the first time, we are going to go ahead and click the sign up feature, and that is right here at the top right. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. There is also an option for you to download the app on your phone. Please check in with your teacher, so whether it's Mr. Dickinson, Mrs. Cooper, or myself, check in and see if they are allowing you to use the iPhone app or the Android app. I personally think that it is easier to navigate the computer or the Chromebook version of this because you have more options, but again, check with your teacher to see if they are allowing you to use your cell phone. So we are going to click the sign up button and follow along with me. Do this as I do this. Pause this video if you need to. So here we go. So we'll click the sign up button, and then in here it's going to ask you if you're an individual business or school or district. We are obviously a school, so let's click there. Now we are going to do the free trial version. So click the start trial, and this is where we're going to sign up. So go ahead and type in your first name, and we will use a different email because I've already used my school account one. Create a password here, and then type in our school name, which is Lewis Central Middle School. So first name, last name, use your Lewis Central email. So here I'm using a different email just because I already have a login with my Lewis Central email. I'll show you that in a second. Create a password for yourself. Make sure you type in the one that you want, and then click sign up for WeVideo. So because it is just a trial, we'll only have access to it for 30 days. The app does not require you to do that. So here you're going to click you are a student, and then you'll click K through 12. I am a teacher, so I will click educator and there, and then you click the next button. Now here it might ask you what your role is, and so I'm just going to keep filling this out with my information, and I will just move through this screen. And then you don't have to click this. You don't have to put where your school is located, so I'm not going to. Now, this is going to give us a quick tutorial. You can do this and move through this after this video. So I'm just going to click maybe later. This is the screen, kind of your home screen, where you can get started. So whenever you want to create a new video, you just click on Create New, and it's going to bring you to the dashboard. And so as it gets things ready, not everything is available. So we are only doing the free trial, so we don't have access to some things, but others, obviously, we do. So here's where you would store your, where you could pull up your videos that you have on your Chromebook. Here are some options, which you'll see in our example for some intro slides, or if you want to give credit to whoever was in your video, you can put these at the end. Here's where you can add music. They have music that is downloaded for you. In addition, this is just some transitions. You can blur in, blur out, whatever it is. If you've used iMovie, this is will be pretty familiar with these options. And then lastly, there are just some video options that you can put in there if you want. You can overlay different text features over them, but you can really kind of play around with this and see what you want to make. Obviously, our goal for this is for you to create a commercial, and you'll be getting a sheet today that has all the information and the requirements that you need to have for that commercial. But this is kind of a fun tool that you get to play around with today and tomorrow. Make sure that if you have any questions, you utilize other experts that are in the room, or ask your teacher. But as of right now, make sure that you are filming with your Chromebook if you are going to be using the Chromebook version. That way then you don't have to try and send yourself the video from your phone or from someone else's phone. Make sure you are actually filming with your Chromebook. If you're using the phone version, if you've received permission to do that, then I would recommend filming from your phone. These are interchangeable. So I have logged in from my phone, and used the app to take a video and then added it to my account and then pulled it up on, my account online. And so I can kind of I will show you the school account that we've been working with. So I'm going to log in with my school account here. And this has just the different videos that we've created. So like here's the one that you just watched. And I can edit this. Even though I've published it, I can still take a look at it and see. And so you'll be able to see that this is where you put the main videos that you want. So like we have our intro slide, and then we have the video of Mr. Dickinson talking to us about how influential the Cold War was, and then we have our 3 credit slides. Now down here is where we added the audio. And so again, these are all features that are located at the very top here that you can utilize. When you want to publish, so you are completely done and ready to go and ready to share, you click the Finish tab, and it's right here. You can either click the 480 or the HD. 480 is going to go a lot faster as far as the download goes. 720 is going to be better quality. So once you do that, we recommend then that you connect your Google Drive. So once I'm ready to publish, I'm going to use my school account, and I'm going to allow them to utilize my Google Drive. So I'm successfully connected. And so this way, it's going to be really easy for you to share this with your teacher. So I'm just going to click the Finish button, and now it'll take a little while for this to work. So it's in the queue and it's being processed. It'll now save to my drive. Then I can add it into Classroom or wherever your teacher has asked you to turn this in. If you have any questions throughout this process, make sure you check back to this video as you move through your editing process, your filming process, all of that. And then make sure you just utilize your teacher. If you have any questions, they are familiar with this WeVideo as well, and I'm sure some of your classmates are. So have fun creating your commercial, and we can't wait to see them.